Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today, we are taking an up-close look at Samtec's high-speed edge card connector systems. These are designed for heavy-duty, high-performance data transfer. Let's dive into the lineup. On the left board, we have the HSEC8 series. Check out this HSEC8 Power Combo card. It combines high-speed data lanes with dedicated power pins. Right below it, we have standard high-speed riser cards, edge mounts, and right-angle configurations, giving engineers massive flexibility in tight spaces. Moving over to the right side of the display, we have the MEC high-speed edge card system, running from the MEC 2 all the way up through the MEC 8 configurations. They easily plug into place, showing off their robust, reliable mating cycle. This stack beautifully demonstrates the scaling options available. Down at the bottom, Samtec also showcases their ultra-low profile solutions. But it's not just about static board-to-board connections. Look at these flexible high-speed cable assemblies. They feature heavily shielded ribbon cables designed to preserve signal integrity even when routing around complex internal components.